the wooden keyboard from Womier. What's up? It's me, Keyboard Man, and we're back with another awesome keyboard. This one, the whole body's made of real walnut wood. Yeah, that's right, and it's only $100. They got 5 different colors. There's one that has like little kitty keycaps. That one looks sick. If you've been in the market for a wooden keyboard at a budget, then this is your man right here. A little bit more about this bad boy. It's got VIA support, tri-mode connection. It's an 8000 mAh battery, which typical keyboards are about 4,000, so that's pretty good battery life. MDA profile keycaps, full RGB, it's hot swappable, and it's got multi-layer foam. It comes preloaded with the Womier pre-lubed palm mint blizzard switches, and that's supposed to deliver a soft and silky type feel. We'll see about that. I want to test that out for myself, so I think we're just going to go ahead and open the box now, shall we? Oh, like tree trunk. Oh, that's genius, like wood. Ugh, I didn't even notice that. I thought this was topographical this whole time. I've been looking at this box for like a week. Dang it, it's literally wood. And WD, wood, clever. I see what you did there, Womier, Mr. Womier. You pretty clever, huh? Okay, here we go. Boom. Whoa. Wood. Would you like to buy this keyboard? Okay, what do we got in here? Accessories. We got a power cable, keycap and switch puller. We got some extra switches, extra rubber feet, and the wireless dongle. And now for the main star of the show, the WD75. Whoa. Sneak peek. Whoa, look how green that is. It's like emerald, man. That's so sick. This is low key, like, this is nice. This is like classy, you know? This is refined. Okay, I'm sorry. It's just so cool. I'm impressed. Let me get this plastic off so you guys can see what it really looks like. Here we go. Oh, it's so much more beautiful with the plastic off. Look at that. I regret nothing. I wanted the kitty version, but now I regret nothing. Seeing the green one is way cooler. This is like, you know what this reminds me of? Those like old green lawyer lamps. Those like, you know what I'm talking about? Those old, you know, those old detective movies. You know what I mean? I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. I lost the plot. Wooden keyboard. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Look at it. Okay, there's the bottom. Ooh, we got a little logo there. I always appreciate when they put a logo down on the bottom. It's not just like simple. I like that, a little extra detail. Then we just have a set height here, no adjustability. We have our mode, physical mode switch, wireless, wired, Bluetooth. We have our Type-C back here. You can definitely see that this is real wood. You can see a little bit of wood in there. I don't know how to explain that. And then there's a Windows and Mac as well. If you see in there, you can see a little bit of imperfections in the wood, just a tiny amount, just to remind you that it is indeed made of all wood. I really like that. You know, it was looking so sleek, I was almost thinking that it was made of plastic. But they really polish it down well to make it look, you got big old rubber feet. I'd say that's pretty good rubber, man. Okay, and like I said, this is your stock height. Wow, that thing is clean. Okay, let's do a sound test real quick, shall we? All right, nice space bar. I like that one. But it's not super loud, it's not super quiet, it's not begging for attention, but obviously, you know, you can hear that. I would say medium sound. It's nice. I wouldn't say, I don't know all the crazy keyboard lingo the kids use these days, but I would say that's a little thawky. All right, so like I said, we're gonna take this, we're gonna get some RGB going and see what it looks like and see what kind of adjustability we have on the driver. And then it's 1000 hertz polling rate. I'm hoping we can get some good game test in, so we're gonna go ahead and test it, and I'll see you there at the setup. Okay, here we go. We got our Womier WD75. We're gonna plug it in for the first time. It's already on wired. That's the one in the middle, so just plug it in. See if you guys can see it. There we go, there's your startup. This is what you get to work with. I have a Walnut wrist rest, but it doesn't quite fit. It's a bit short. Switch backlight modes, FN plus /. All right, that's all of them. I don't know which one I like the most. Maybe we'll just go with that one. That one's kind of cool. Or the next one. That one's also kind of sick. Let's go ahead and get into the game, shall we? All right, I guess they put me into the middle of a game. I'll take it.
You hurt people. I hurt you. Out of sight!
Better stop that vehicle!
A little Punisher time.
Here they come now.
Why did somebody quit this game is what I want to know. And what makes Marvel Rivals think that I want to play this one? And that I want to take his spot. Obviously he left for a reason. Maybe he was the problem. You know? Oh boy.
Watch me soar!
Bye, buddy.
Supernova!
Bro's ulting? How does he have so much health? Let's go.
Got them all!
All right. We might have this one.
In their tracks.
I'm good to go.
Shit on kid. I feel like these guys aren't trying. Just kidding. I wasn't reloading at all. I tricked you.
Judge, jury, executioner!
Oh boy.
Blaze of glory. I'm good to go.
What? Get me in there. Let me in. Let me in. What the hell? Why won't it attach to ceilings? This is trash. Oh, I'm dead. What the hell is this guy doing back here? Oh yeah, this guy needs to go. No, first person that needs to go is the fucking Human Torch. Bye-bye. No splash damage, no free damage in my house. Oh my god, please, please. Ah! We're fine. Thank you. Hey, thanks, buddy. Let's kill the Gambit, please. I need fucking heals, dude. I need heals, bro. If he even looks at me once here. Did you just born again? How is this guy ulting again? Give me my ziplock! Ah!
Bad choices have bad consequences. Smoke up.
That's 3!
Enemy target located. Gambit never falls! Battlefield ready again.
Bro, come back here.
Look over there.
Only 60 seconds left.
What the? Bro. Hello? Oh my god, my aim. How is this? How is Brucey boy fucking? How am I getting beat by a Hulk? What? They are not giving up easily. No one sees me.
You suck, bro. Yeah!
Another epic.
Wood! It was all thanks to wood. Yes. I felt so freaking refined playing Marvel Rival. Let's go! Yeah! This is the best MVP screenwriter. Ooh. That's how I feel right now. Hey, bro, I'm not gonna lie. That felt good. I really like the feel of the keys. And I like how the shape of the keys kind of hug your finger a little bit. And I love the look of the RGB, man. And wood just cannot be beaten. Yeah, that was a fun game. So if you guys like the keyboard, where's the scoreboard? Smash like, subscribe, check the link in the description. WD75 from Womier, and I hope to see you guys in the next tech review. Peace. Make sure you check out my keyboard review playlist if you got time. And just thanks for sticking around this long. I really appreciate you being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.